Herbert Peabody and the Pizza Making Day. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. It's Pizza Making Day. Let's start off by making our pizza dough. With warm water, sugar and yeast this way. We gently heat the yeast so it activates. Then scoop in flour to the mix. We pour in some oil to make our dough. Add to the bowl so that no dough sticks. We add a touch of salt for flavour. And then we knead the dough. We transfer it to the bowl. And cover it like so. It takes hours for the dough to rise. So let's relax with a teapot tea. Now it's outside to the garden. What is this we see? Fresh Italian parsley in our greenhouse. And oregano from the Veggie patch. We chop these for our pizza sauce. And homegrown garlic for a spicy match. We add in our tomato paste. And stir our sauce nice and steady. Let's check on our dough. Yay! Our dough is ready. A dusting of flour keeps it from sticking. And we shape our dough this way. And flatten it into a circle. Then grease our pizza tray. We work our pizza base to the edges and spread our sauce on with a spoon. It's so much fun to sprinkle the cheese. Let's sprinkle some more and soon our pizza is ready for the oven. When it's cooked in the oven's high heat, we slice it up with a pizza wheel so it's ready for us to eat. Herbie loves sharing pizza with his friends, and there are more to make. Hooray! While you enjoy making your pizza to share, we'll plan our next adventure day.